So now today I am starting 3.2 only, 18th main I am doing now. So question is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 6, then find x minus 1 by x as well as x square minus 1 by x square. Given you right, x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. We have to find x minus 1 by x. So both x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x, both value in which identity will be there, that is x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. Why? Because it is same as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is 4ab actually. If you substitute a as x and b as 1 by x, then we will get here this side what will become 4 into x into 1 by x. X and x will get cancelled, thus the identity will get like this. Okay. So now you substitute the value of x plus 1 by x, that is 6 square minus x minus 1 by x whole square as it is equal to 4. So now 6 square is 36 minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. Bring this 4 this side and shift this. It is in minus, no? So you shift that one. So we will get 36 minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square. Then 36 minus 4 is 32. Therefore, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 32. We have to find x minus 1 by x. Then it will become square root of 32. Square will become square root. So 32 we can split it as 16 into 2. So root square root of 16 is plus or minus 4. And root 2 remains as it is. Plus or minus 4 root 2 is the answer for the first sub question. Second sub question is, we have to find the x square minus 1 by x square. So already we have x plus 1 by x value. Just now we got x minus 1 by x value also. Then to find x square minus 1 by x square, we can use this one, x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Okay. What is x plus 1 by x? 6. And what is x minus 1 by x? Just we got, that is plus or minus 4 root 2. Okay. We multiply 6 4s are 24, that is plus or minus 24 root of 2. X square minus 1 by x square is equal to plus or minus 24 root 2. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, prove that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So given what x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. When we will get x square plus 1 by x square, directly we can use the identity, or this only we can square on squaring the given value. Then what will be having on squaring both sides. Directly you can use identity also, or like this also we can do. So on squaring both sides, what will be having x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 square. Okay. X plus 1 by x square identity already we know, that you write x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 2 square is 4. So from this we can get easily x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 4. This value we have to find. Plus 2 you shift that side, it will become minus 2. So hence 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is the, write this one as equation 1. Okay. Again next what they given, x cube plus 1 by x cube. We know the identity. Otherwise you can write on cubing both sides, or directly we can write the identity. What is x? a cube plus b cube formula, that is x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. This is the identity. Substitute x plus 1 by x and x square plus 1 by x square here. X plus 1 by x is 2 into x square 1 by x square plus 1 by x square is 2 again. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got it as x cube plus 1 by x cube also as 2. I use one as equation 2. Okay. The next x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. How will you get? We will get this one means on squaring this one. If we square the equation 1, then we will get the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Then we will get x square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2 is equal to 2 square. So I am squaring the equation 1. Okay. X to the x square whole square is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 2 you shift that side minus 2. So hence we will get x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is as 2. This is equation. Now we can observe the equation 1, equation 2 and equation, this is equation 2 and equation 3. All the values same only. So hence we can write directly. Therefore, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x cube plus from 1, 2 and 3. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Understood? Okay, 20th question is if x minus 2 by x is equal to 3, find the value of x cube minus 8 by x cube. So given x minus 2 by x is equal to 3. So when will you get x cube minus 8 by x cube? Of course on cubing this value. So write on cubing both sides. Okay, what will be having? X minus 2 by x whole cube is equal to 3 cube. Here it is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So that formula we have to write. Already we know a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab whole a minus b. This is the identity that only we have to use here. A is nothing but what? X. B is nothing but 2 by x. Suppose here x minus 1 by x value they had given means directly we can take x minus 1 by x formula. But here they had given x minus 2 by x. That is the difference. Don't get confused. Okay. So substitute this value in this by using that identity. We will get x cube minus 2 by x whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by x, that is 3ab. 3 into x into 2 by x whole x minus 2 by x is equal to. Understood no? Same a minus b whole cube formula I have used here. Here 3 cube is equal to 27. Okay. X cube minus 2 cube is nothing but 8 by x cube. Here minus x and this x will get cancelled. Remaining is 3 2s are 6. Here we can substitute the value x minus 2 by x. as 3 again is equal to 27. So then we'll get x cube minus 8 by x cube minus 18 is equal to 27. So x cube minus 8 by x cube is equal to 27 plus 18. Why? Because minus 18 if you shift means it will become plus 18. 27 plus 18 is equal to 45. This is the answer. Clear? A plus 2b is equal to 5. Prove that a cube plus 8bq plus 30ab is equal to 125. Same as the previous question we did know on cubing, same like that only. So given a plus 2b is equal to 5. So on cubing, both sides here a cube plus 8bq it is enough. So we have to cube it. So on cubing, both sides. A plus 2b whole cube is equal to 5. Again same a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b whole cube formula you have to use. That is a cube plus 2b whole cube plus 3 into a into 2b whole a plus 2 is equal to 5 cube is 125. So a cube as it is plus 8 b cube plus 3 2s are 6 ab into a plus 2b again is 5 is equal to 125. So a cube plus 8b cube plus 6 5s are 30. 30 ab is equal to 125. Hence we have. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27, find the value of x minus 1 by x. Like this, so many problems we already did. So here x square plus 1 by x square value is given. They asked to find x minus 1 by x. So you use the x minus 1 by x whole square expansion and do this one as a homework. Okay, next question is if a plus 1 by a is equal to p, prove that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to p whole p square minus 3. Again this is also same as the previous one only. First you write given and cube it. That's it. A plus 1 by a is equal to p on cubing. On cubing both sides. We will be having a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to p. We have the a plus 1 by a whole cube formula. Substitute. These are a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a into 1 by a, that is 3ab into a plus 1 by a is equal to p. So now wherever a plus 1 by a is there, there is substitute p. Here a and a will get cancelled, right? A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a is again p is equal to p cube. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into p nothing but plus 3p. Shift that side, it will become minus 3p. So p cube minus 3p. Understood? So next what? We have to prove p whole p square minus 3. Simple, don't get confused. Here p cube, two terms are there. Here p cube is there, p is there. In both the term, p is common. That we have to take it outside. So taken p outside, what will remain in the first term? P cube nothing but p square into p. From this p cube, 1p if you take outside means what will remain here? P square. minus 3 will remain. Hence, here if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27, find the value of 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 by x cube minus 5 by x. It is not only x cube minus 1 by x cube, not like that. It is quite different. So from this only we have to start. First to write the given value. Given x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27. And what we have to find? Write that one. We have to bring this one in a proper form. So that is 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 by x cube minus 5 by x. Okay. Can observe here this side and this term we can make a group so that we can take 3 as a common, then we will get it is in the form of x cube minus 1 by x cube. In the same way, this 5x and 5 by x we have to make as a one group so that we will get x minus 1 by x. Okay. So 3x cube minus 3 by x cube, one group, and this 5x minus 5 by x as one group. So in this group 3 is common, take it outside. 3 whole, if you taken 3 common, here what will remain? X cube minus, again here 3 if you taken common, 1 will remain here. Then we will get x cube minus 1 by x cube. Plus, here same 5 is common, you take it that one, x minus 1 by x. Understood? So now we can use directly x cube minus 1 by x cube expansion. X minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. So this 5 whole x minus 1 by x as it is. Okay. So now we can observe again x minus 1 by x is common in both the terms. So this is one term and this is one term. In both the term x minus 1 by x is common. That you take outside. Then we will get 3 whole x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1. Understood? So now we can directly substitute x square plus 1 by x square, but this value we are not having. This you know now already how to find if the given x square plus 1 by x square. If we are having the value x square plus 1 by x square, then how to find x minus 1 by x, that is x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. That is x square plus 1 by x square is 27 minus 2 is 25. So x minus 1 by x is equal to square root of 25. We will get as plus or minus 5. Understood now? That we have to substitute here. Okay. So then what we will get? X minus 1 by x, just what we got, plus or minus 5 into 3 whole. What is x square plus 1 by x square? 27 plus 1 plus 5. Okay. Plus or minus 5. 3 into 28 plus 5 plus or minus 5. 28 3s are 74. 84 plus 5. So plus or minus 5. 84 plus 5 is 89. So 89 into 5 is equal to plus or minus 445. Okay. This is the required answer.